Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of plastic tray or a plastic component in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn the basic commands which are used to construct a plastic profile. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here take the 2D sketch and select the exit plane, rotate. So this will be the top view. Now go to rectangle command and take the 2 points center rectangle. Take the center point, make a rectangle over here. Now define this, go to dimension, select this. The width of this will be 130 mm and height of 80 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude command and here flip the direction and take extrude distance at 30 mm. Okay. Now we want a taper extrude, so go to more. Here it will ask you the angle. So if you want to make a taper inside from bottom, so we will give a minus extrude, minus taper of -4 degree. Okay. So the profile will be made, the bottom profile will be made in a minus taper. If you give it a plus taper of 4, then it will expand to outside. So we are taking a -4 degree as taper and okay. Now go to the fillet command and here we will take a fillet of radius 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, select this edge, rotate and this edge, apply. Now go to a fillet radius of 5, go to edge selection and select this bottom edge and apply. Okay, exit. Now we want to construct a new plane on this point. To do that, go to plane, click here on plane, go to origin and we will select the exit plane and just click on this point. So new plane will be generated on this point. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate, go to circle command, select this edge, make a circle of dia 5 mm, go to dimension. The center point from this side will be at a distance of 15 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Now we will make one more sketch on this plane. So select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the bottom edge. At bottom this is the outermost edge. So go to sketch, take the circle command. Here make a circle of dia 3 mm. Okay. Now go to dimension. From this outer, take a distance here of 15 mm and escape. Okay. So this bottom circle is of 3 dia and top circle of 5 dia. The side distance is 15 for both the dimensions. Go to finish sketch, rotate. So this will be the profile. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change it back to shaded with edges. So this will be the profile. Now go to 3D model, extrude, select this profile. Okay, sorry, we will take the loft command here. Go to loft, select this circle and select this circle. Okay, this is taking this also. So go to sketch 3, rotate the view, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Okay, now finish. Similarly, go to sketch 2, Select this top line, make it a construction unit. Select this also, make it construction. We don't have to delete any line, only make them construction, so at the time of 3D commands it will not be selected. Finish. Now go to loft command, select this top circle and select this bottom circle. Okay, now go to OK. So this will be the rib profile of side. So we are making these rib profiles. Okay, now go to home. Now we will give a radius also. For radius, go to fillet, take here a radius of 1 mm, go to edge selection, select this side edge, this edge, rotate this edge and this. Okay, a complete round fillet and apply. Exit, go to home. Now we want to pattern this complete profile. So go to rectangular pattern, select loft 1 and fillet 3. Go to direction 1 and select this edge. Here take a count of 6 and a center to center distance of, here we will change to 20. Okay, and okay. Okay, now we want to pattern these profiles. Rotate this so it will look like this. Now go to mirror, select this loft 1, fillet 3, pattern 3, pattern 1. Go to mirror plane and select the XY plane. Rotate the view and OK. Okay, if we are not getting the radius here, so go to mirror 1 and select the mirror solids and OK. So the complete profile is here with all the radius. Now we will make the same profiles here also. For here, go to create sketch, select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command, make here a circle of dia 5 mm, go to dimension. From side, this will be at a distance of 15 mm. Finish sketch or first exit, escape, select this line, make it construction. Select this also, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Now select this bottom plane, go to create sketch, change the view, visual style, go to wireframe. Here this will be the outermost edge. So go to sketch, go to circle command, select this outermost edge and give dia 3. Go to dimension. From this surface it will be at a distance of 15. Okay, and escape. So this is the bottom profile and this is the top profile. Rotate it. So this will be the top profile dia 5 and this is dia 3 bottom profile. Select this corner, make it a construction. Select this, make it construction. Okay, so this will be the profile. Finish sketch. Now go to view, visual style, back to shaded with edges. Now go to 3D model, take the loft command, select this profile, okay, select this circle and select this bottom circle and press OK. Okay, now go to the rectangular pattern or first give the radius. Go to fillet, take a radius of 1 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate this edge, rotate it and this bottom edge and this edge. Complete round profile and apply. Exit. Now we'll go to the rectangular pattern. Go to rectangular pattern, select loft 2 and fillet 4. Go to direction 1, select this line. To flip the direction, here click on flip, take here a count of 6 and the center to center distance here will be of 10 mm. Okay. Okay, now we want to mirror this complete profile. So go to mirror, go to mirror solid, or go to first go to mirror individual feature. Go to rectangular pattern or select this. Go to mirror plane, take the YZ plane, rotate and OK. Same, the radius is not coming, so go to mirror 2 again. Here click on mirror solids, so it will automatically select the solid profile and OK. So this is made with complete radius profile. Now we have made the complete profile. Now select this top face, go to create sketch and go to rectangle command. Take the center point rectangle, select this point, make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, the width here will be of 140 and the height of 90 mm. Go to fillet, take a fillet of radius 15, select this edge, this and this. Exit, go to finish sketch and go to extrude. Take here an extrude of 5 mm, upside and OK. Okay. Now rotate this, select this bottom face, go to create sketch, go to rectangle profile again, 2 point center rectangle, select this point. Now go to dimension, here the width will be 90 and this height here of 45. Okay. Now go to fillet radius of 10, select this edge, this and this. Exit, go to finish sketch, take extrude command. Here we want to cut the profile, so here take the cut, take a cut depth of 3 mm and OK. Now go to fillet, take fillet radius as 3, go to edge selection, select this profile and apply. Now go to radius 5, go to edge selection and select this outer profile and apply. OK. Exit, rotate the profile. Now we will shell this complete profile. So go to the shell feature. Here we will take a shell thickness of 0.5. So we will select this top face. So it will shell up to 0.5 thickness and OK. Okay. So this will be a shell of 0.5. So this complete profile is of 0.5 thickness. Now we will make a flank profile at the top. For that, select this top face, go to create sketch and here go to rectangle command again. From this center point, make a rectangle, go to dimension, this width of 145 and this height here of 95. Okay. Go to finish sketch and here go to extrude. Okay. We will make this profile also, so we don't want a close profile. So go back to the sketch 8, double click, go to project geometry, project this outer profile one by one. Okay, this also, this radius this outer, and this radius. Now go to finish sketch, go to extrude. Now take only this outer profile. Okay, rotate. Here we will take a flange height of 0.5. As it's going upside, so here flip the direction and we will take here join and okay. Now you can see a smooth profile is made. Okay. Now we'll give the radius here at inside. So go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge and select this edge. Okay, and apply. Okay, exit. Now I think we are done with all. Okay, the outer radius here is left. So go to fillet, take a radius of 10, go to edge selection. Here select this outer edge, this small edge we will select. Similarly here 10 radius, here 10 radius, rotate, and here also radius 10 and okay. Go to home. Now we will hide this. So select this plane one, right click, turn off the visibility. From here we will give the red color, light red color. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a plastic part or to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.